Hey guys, I'm Anthony, one of the local reps here with Jackson Grills, and today we're taking a look at our Lux Series. The Lux Series is our affordable luxury lineup. Here are my favorite features on our Lux grills. Our Lux Series features 100% stainless steel construction. Where our competitors normally nut, bolt, and rivet components together, we weld all of our seams. Our Lux Series comes with a standard feature rotisserie system that can comfortably cook a 12-pound bird. Our infrared ceramic rotisserie burner evenly hits temperatures of 1,000 degrees. Our competitors offer a steel infrared style burner that will often have you finishing your food in the oven. Don't believe us? Check out other high-end grills in this price point for a ceramic burner. These grills come with a full-sized and fully welded grease tray and cup, fully collapsible side shelves to help you fit on every deck, and industrial strength casters to handle any movement you gotta do throughout the grilling season. This grill exceeds expectations, allowing you to hit temperatures of 700 degrees in 10 minutes or less. We use the flamethrower ignition system, which is the most dependable ignition system on the market today. Just so you know, all of our Jackson Grill products are available in propane or natural gas. We design all of our Jackson Grills with 4 principles in mind: performance, cleaning and maintenance, longevity, design. Where our competitors use cast iron, we've used stainless steel for easier cleaning, maintenance, and longevity of our product. We expect with normal use and regular maintenance that this grill will last you a minimum of 10 years. If you have any questions, feel free to give our service department a call.